Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to check the dimensions of an array in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you need to know what the shape or dimension of an array is because you're multiplying arrays or adding arrays, and obviously you need consistent dimensions to be able to do this. So I'll be showing you how to check the dimensions of an array in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm going to create a simple array using NumPy. So I'm going to create a NumPy array. Oops, okay, so I'm getting an error because I didn't import NumPy. So let's just do that. I'll import NumPy as NP. And yeah, that creates my NumPy array. So let's just run that. Great, and now if you want to check the shape of or the dimensions of this array, it's a very simple function in Python itself. So if you just say a.shape, this should give you or return the dimensions of the matrix A. So as you can see over here, we get the dimensions of matrix A or array A. So actually, let me print out the array as well. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got a two rows, 3 columns, so a 2 by 3 matrix over here, and it returns the dimensions 2 and 3. So that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to check the dimensions of an array in Python, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.